What if I told you there's a tool that lets you organize all your brand assets, logos, colors, fonts, and more in just seconds? No more cluttered folders, no more endless searches, just one platform to rule them all. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's BrandBay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how BrandBay can save you hours of frustration and make brand management a breeze. Stick around, because this is a game changer for agencies, designers, and anyone who works with brands. BrandBay is a white-labeled brand management platform that lets you store, organize, and share all your brand assets in one place. Think of it as your brand's command center. Logos, colors, fonts, videos, code snippets, everything you need right at your fingertips. But here's the best part. It's not just for you. You can create white-labeled client portals so your clients can upload and access assets too. It's professional, efficient, and downright impressive. Let me break it down for you. Here's why BrandBay is a must-have tool. Organized assets. Say goodbye to cluttered desktops and confusing file names. BrandBay lets you create custom collections and brand kits in minutes. White labeling. Impress your clients with a fully branded platform. Share links, email invitations, and portals, all under your brand's name. Collaboration. Invite your team and clients to collaborate seamlessly. Assign roles, set permissions, and keep everyone on the same page. Access anywhere. With BrandBay's browser extension, you can access your assets from anywhere. Copy-paste text, colors, or code snippets in seconds. Whether you're a marketing agency, a remote team, or a solo designer, BrandBay has something for you. Here's how easy it is to organize your brand assets with BrandBay. 1. Upload assets. Drag and drop your logos, colors, fonts, and more into BrandBay. It's as simple as that. 2. Create brand kits. Group your assets into custom collections. Need a brand kit for a new client? Done in minutes. 3. Share with clients. Send white-labeled share links to your clients. They can upload assets or access what they need. No more back-and-forth emails. 4. Collaborate. Invite your team, assign roles, and start collaborating. Everyone stays on the same page no matter where they are. See how easy that was? No more wasting time searching for files or dealing with messy folders. BrandBay keeps everything organized and accessible. Now, here's the best part. BrandBay is offering an exclusive lifetime deal for just $59. That's right, no monthly fees, no hidden costs, just a one-time payment for lifetime access to all features. This deal won't last forever, so if you're ready to take your brand management to the next level, click the link in the description and grab it now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. To recap, BrandBay is the ultimate tool for organizing brand assets, collaborating with your team, and impressing your clients with white-labeled portals. It's perfect for agencies, designers, and anyone who works with brands. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips like this. And if you've tried BrandBay, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.